Alright guys, back again with another video. For us, it's the same day. For you, it's the next day. We're gonna have some awesome stuff we're opening up right now. It's really gonna push this build to the next level, which is what we really need. So, surprise, and let's check out what's in these boxes. Alright guys, we got 3 boxes. We got Cody B. We're gonna open them right now. This is the surprise. I'm gonna cut the slits and Cody can start opening one. So let's do it.
Cut down the middle.
There you go. Let Cody open that one. See what we got in there. Ooh, there we go, baby. Viscous coupler on the right. Drive shaft, part of the drive shaft. Oh yeah. The other part of the drive shaft. This is the Wagon drive shaft. 88 through 91 all-wheel drive. Just make sure there's nothing in there, right? Yeah. All right, we're gonna go to the next one. Let's see. I'm recording Cody doing these because I can have the camera. So let me cut the slit. There we go. Let's see what's in here. Oh, the axles. One axle. Nice. The Wagon axles. There's the other axle right there. Boom. Those are bolts. He just gave me any additional bolts he found. Okay, so we got the axles there. All right, now we got the big box. Go ahead, Cody. We cut it off camera because it was a lot of tape on it. Big shout out to Dalen Snow from MA Performance for sourcing these Wagon parts for me. Awesome guy. Super glad to deal with MA Performance. They have parts for our 10th gen, but he hooked me up. Oh, okay. Why do I have 2 viscous couplers? Never mind. Leave it there. Take it. I'll take it. That's what we needed.
That one's beefier than that one.
Yeah, that one's probably the correct one. Oh, I think that's the diff.
Definitely the diff.
Wagon diff. Boom. Let's see. Let's see that, baby. Oh, yeah. That is the Wagon diff, straight out of the Wagon. They even gave us the little thing that holds it up on the frame. Awesome. So more Wagon parts. We got everything we need for the Wagon. Now we'll have to look through this. Why do we have this? And we have this. Some of y'all may have done this already, so I'll have to look and see what the difference is. But we got them. Thank you, Cuddy.